Hello guys, welcome to the fastest learning DS series. Today we are going to discuss tree traversal. There are multiple ways of traversing a tree, and today we are going to focus on in-order traversal. So before that, let us understand how the basic structure of a tree looks like. So here we can see that the root node is 1, and then it will have two nodes, one on the left and one on the right, which has data values 2 and 3. Similarly, if we come down, then this acts as the root node, which will have one left node and a right node, and the data values are 4 and 5. So keeping this in mind, we need to traverse our tree in such a way that left node is printed first, then the root node, and then the right node. So in this way, we need to print the entire tree. This is a recursive function, and this is the logic that we'll be following to print our tree. So let us go step by step. So initially our root node will be 1. So 1, since 1 is not null, so it will come to this step, and 1 dot left is 2. So since 2 is not null and there is a node present, so it will come here, and then 2 dot left, again there is a node present here. So since the node is not null, so it will come to this step, and then 4 dot left will be passed as an argument in the print in order function, and then since 4 dot left is null, so it will be the control will be coming back here, and then it will move on to this step. So 4 dot data. So basically the data of this particular node will be printed at this particular step, and then it will move on. That is from 4 dot right. 4 dot right is again null. So the control will be given back, and since the function is complete, the control will be passed back to where we had left earlier, that is 2 dot left. So once the control comes back here, then it will move on to the next step, and it will print the data of that particular node, which happens to be 2. So once 2 is printed, then 2 dot right is again 5. So now we are going to consider 5, and 5 is not null. So again it will try to check for 5 dot left, which happens to be null. So the control will come back, and it will then visit that particular node, which is 5. Once 5 is printed, then it will check for 5 dot right, which happens to be again null. So the control will be given back, and since the function is complete, the control will be given back all the way where we had started, that is 1 dot left. So I hope you understood like how from root node we traversed to 2 to 4, then we printed 4 first, then printed 2, that is the root node, then 5, and now the control comes back to the starting point where we started, and we'll be printing it in the second step, because 1 dot left after that is the value itself will be printed, and then 1 dot right happens to be 3. So since 3 since 3 is not null, so it will reach this point, and 3 dot left is null, so it will come back, and then it will visit that particular node, and beyond that 3 dot right has no node available. So the control comes back here, and since the function is complete and there is no other call, we have traversed the tree in order fashion. So the code snippet for this particular algorithm is already, the link is provided in below. You can go and practice it. Thank you.